This is a guide on how you can save posts on Reddit. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, we're on the home page of Reddit, and this is your page. You can just scroll through this, and let's assume that you came across a post, for example this one. Alright, and for whatever reason you want to save it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the three dots on the top right, this one, and this menu will pop up, and then click on save, and it says post saved in the bottom. Alright, and that's how you save a post on Reddit. But the question is, where do these posts go? Alright, so we're gonna see. So to see all your saved posts, you're gonna click on your profile on the top right. Alright, this is your profile, this is your menu. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click on saved, the last option, the third last option that says saved. Click on that, and these are all your posts. Since I have only saved one post, it's only showing me this one, but if you have multiple saved posts, you'll see all of them here. There's also an option to save comments under a post or something. If you like a comment, you can just save it, and as you can see, there's an option that says comments on the top, and you're going to click on that, and in this menu you'll see all the comments that you have saved. I have no saved comments, but if you have saved something, it's really easy to save comments. Let's just say we're going to open the comment section of this post, and there you go. You see this particular comment. You're going to click on the three dots and click on save. All right, it says comment saved. After that, you'll go to the same place that says saved, but this time you'll click on comments, and there you go. That's the comment. So this is how you save posts and save comments on Reddit.